I'm using a Moto Edge 16 Pro smartphone, and one common struggle with Edge display phone is finding a proper tempered glass screen protector. Normal tempered glass usually doesn't fit well or stick properly on curved edges. That's why I have been using a matte sheet until now. But in my experience, the best fit for the Edge model phones is a UV tempered glass screen guard. And few of my friends reported that after applying the UV tempered glass, touch screen not going to work well. After using this phone for years, I decided to try it on my phone myself. Here it is, the product I brought from MobileBees via Flipkart. Product link in the description. Does it really ruin the touch sensitivity? I don't know. Let's see. Here is my phone with the old screen mat. Inside the box, they provided a screen guard, a UV light, a wiping cloth, glue, and a gift card, also with some stickers. The manual explained the application process also included. Today I am going to show you how I installed a UV tempered glass on my phone and also share a few important things I learned during the process. So first, the UV light that comes with the kit uses a Type-C port. Initially I tried using my Moto Edge 16 Pro charger, but it didn't work. Then I switched to an older charger from my Xiaomi Mi phone, and that worked perfectly. So if your UV light is not turning on, try using a different charger. Before starting, I read the manual and also checked online whether this UV glue can damage the phone. From what I found, it's generally safe if applied properly. Now let's get into the installation. First, I removed the old screen protector. Inside the kit, you will find some protective stickers. Use this to cover important opening like the charging port, speaker, and microphone holes. This step is very important to prevent glue from entering your phone. Next, I cleaned the screen using the wet wipe provided and then dried it with a dry cloth. One another things to take care of is make sure your phone is placed completely flat. I used a small support to keep it perfectly horizontal so the glue doesn't flow to one side. Then I opened the glue bottle and poured it evenly over the screen. After that, I carefully placed a tempered glass on top. Once you placed it, don't lift it again. If there are bubbles, gently press or guide them out using a card, like a credit card. Adjust only by tapping. Do not lift the glass again. Once everything looks good and bubble free, use UV light. Cure it about 2 to 3 minutes to ensure proper bonding. And that's it. The tempered glass is now perfectly fixed. Finally, check the touch response. In my case, everything worked perfectly. Overall, this product worked really well for me. Thanks for watching.